If we run out of time, then where does it go?
Is time even real? Does anyone know?
Maybe time's just a construct of human perception, an illusion created by...
It's only 10 o'clock. That's a whole hour.
Sunrise, sunset, night and day. The changing seasons, the smell of hay. Look at your hair grow, isn't it strange? How time makes your appearance change.
And on.
Make it stop!
I'm a bit hungry.
It's out of my hands, I'm only a clock. Don't worry, I'm sure you'll be fine. But eventually everyone runs out of time.
Come on guys, stop mucking around. We only have 5 minutes until our show's on.
That's not enough time.
There's all pizza.
What? Who is that?
Pizza, 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 pizza.